Hey, hello, my friend. This is Gary Viney, and welcome to Viney Inc. Systems. Listen, I wanted to just welcome you to this page, and I wanted to talk to you for a few moments about what we do here at Viney Inc. Systems and how we have smart page plans in place to basically kind of keep your computer free and clear of viruses and things of that nature. Now, there are other things on this page, other resources that you could possibly use in your business. But specifically, this particular site is for Smart Pages customers, potential customers, to basically get connected to the actual Smart Pages protocol plan that we have in place for different variations of users with their computers. So we have the first plan, which is the basic plan, which basically covers two computers in your household. It covers any software issues, any crashes or whatever, any type of software issue that you have with your computer. That particular plan is going to cover, and it's only like $25 per month, is going to cover, and you should see that over to the actual right, or yeah, the left of this video. You should see the actual, those actual plans where you can actually click on to basically get access and be able to subscribe to one of the plans. Now, the plan next to that, or the plan up from that, is going to be the actual preferred plan, which basically covers 3 computers in your household. You see, I've been doing, basically working on computers and fixing technical things of that nature for a long time. I used to work for a company, and there were a lot of customers who basically had computer problems. And while I worked for that company, I created a service that was available, that I made available to the people in the home area where I live. So basically, that service has actually serviced multiple customers for many years now, and we've been able to pretty much keep customers from having to spend a lot of money on purchasing a new computer, or keeping their software pretty much updated to whatever it needs, right? And keeping the actual corrupt files that are on the internet that can cause your computer to pretty much crash or whatever. And my mission and our vision here at Viney Inc. Systems is to basically help you spend less money and keep your system running at its peak performance and make it last for a long time. I want you to think of your computer like a car that needs an oil change, right? If you drive a car and you keep continuing to drive a car without ever changing the oil or the radiator fluid, or changing the spark plugs out, the tune-ups and things of that nature, your car is probably not going to last as long if you were to do that. So with your computer, it basically is the same thing. Your computer needs the software maintenance programs ran on it. It needs the basic functions as far as running those different programs to kind of keep it free and clear of the the potential corrupt data that it picks up across the internet. So you're at the position right now to be able to get yourself on one of these plans in order to be able to keep your computer running good, have it run for a long time, and allow us to actually serve you with our Smart Pages plans. Like I said, there's 3 different plans right now. Actually, there's actually 4. The actual Pit Stop plan basically is a one-time plan, right? So if you have a problem right now, and if you're in the vicinity of Oklahoma City and Tulsa, Dallas, basically you can actually purchase that, and one of our technicians will schedule a time to basically come and run the actual maintenance programs and set the Smart Pages protocol on your computer. So that's the Pit Stop 50. That's a one-time. You pay one time $50, and we come to you and run the programs, or we remote to your computer and run the programs and actually put that information on there. The most popular plan that we have is basically the $25 per month plan, which basically covers, like I said, 2 computers in your household. The $35 per month plan covers 3 computers, and the $50 per month plan covers unlimited systems in your home. Now, we also have business customer There's a business customer tab on this page. You can click on that. You'll be able to actually connect and actually send a message to us with any instruction or any questions you might have for us, and we'll give you further detailed information on how that works. But I want to emphasize that your computer definitely needs a maintenance plan or some type of plan ran on it. If it's not ran, here's what you'll be looking at. Basically, if you don't have one of these plans, if you don't have at least a $25 per month plan, it's more than likely you're going to have a computer problem within a year, right? Now, if you have a new computer, you might have a warranty on it, which may last for about a year, right? But usually after years, when you start having problems with your computer, and if you don't have a coverage, some type of coverage on it, you're going to spend anywhere from $200 to $300 unless you find someone who can actually do the work and do it correctly. But you're going to spend maybe $200 with some of these vendors who actually get rid of viruses and things of that nature, versus paying $25 per month, which can basically keep you free and clear. Just say, for instance, if you have a virus twice within a year, you're going to spend $400. Now, if my estimates are right, $25 per month will equal to about $300 or $350, somewhere in there, right? But basically, you're going to spend more money if you're not on the plan than if you were on the plan, right? So under $1 per day, you can have 2 of your computers covered in your household. And like I said, we do have plans for business customers, and we make some certain, specific, limitations for business customers. Some of our business customers who have been with us for a while, they got in on a plan that was early on when we started actually doing the actual repair work. But you, my friend, are here right now because you have came to this page to want to understand more about Vining Systems and Smart Pages and what we do. And I'm here to tell you that if you don't have some type of maintenance on your computer, you are kind of doomed if you don't. Now, I do have instructions, actually Smart Pages report, a free report on basically how you can actually start running these programs for yourself if you decide to. Now, if you don't decide to do that, I would recommend you make sure that you click over to the left of this video. You should be able to see a button to click on, the basic plan for Smart Pages, basic 25. Click on that and you'll be able to actually get yourself subscribed to the actual Smart Pages plan, and we look forward to actually helping you and keeping you connected to your source. That is one of our mottos here at Vining Systems, and Smart Pages protocol is something that we have implemented, and it definitely is a great way of actually being able to take care and serve you, to keep you connected and keep your computer running as well as it needs to be. So if you have any questions, make sure you shoot us a message or shoot us an email, and we'll be able to respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. So with that being said, my name is Gary Viney, founder of Vining Systems, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care. Bye.